Hello friends, this video on triangles part 42 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 41. Take one example. BL and CM are medians of the right triangle, right angled at A. We have to prove that 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. So first thing first, BL and CM are medians of the triangle. So if BL and CM are median, if this is X, this is also X because BL is median, and if this is Y, this is also Y. The whole thing is 2Y. Why? Because M is the median. This is what we can conclude now. Now what we have to prove, BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 times BC square. So first try to find BL square. So BL square is nothing but BA square plus LA square, because in triangle BLA is 90 degree, is equal to BA square plus LA square. BA is nothing but 2y square plus LA is x square, that is 4y square plus x square is BL square. Similarly, let's find CM square. CM square is nothing but MA square plus CA square, that is MA square plus CA square, and that comes out to be MA is y square plus CA is 2x whole square, that is y square plus 4x square. Now the question says you to find 4BL square plus CM square. So 4 into BL square plus CM square, that comes out to be 4 into 4y square plus x square plus y square plus 4x square, that is 4 into 5y square plus 5x square, that is 20 into x square plus y square. That is the value of this in left hand side. Correct? Now you have to find BC square. So let's find BC square. BC square is nothing but, in this triangle ABC, BA square plus CA square, that is 2y square plus 2x square. Correct? That is 4x square plus 4y square, that is 4x square plus y square. Right hand side is 5BC square. So 5BC square is nothing but 5 into 4x square plus y square. 4 into x square plus y square, that is nothing but 20 into x square plus y square. You see, right, 5BC square and 4BL square plus CM square both are equal to 20x square plus y square. Therefore, we can say that 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. Very simple application of Pythagoras theorem. Just given that they are median, so I made it x, y, y. Solve the equations to find the answer. O is any point inside the triangle ABCD. We have to prove that OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus. Very simple application of Pythagoras theorem. So let me assume that this is A, this is B, this is C, this length is D, this length will also be equal to A, this will also be equal to B. Correct? Just draw a line here. O is any point, just draw a line. 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. The first thing is OB square. Let's find OB square. OB square is nothing but, in this triangle OBP, is nothing but PB square plus OP square, that is B square plus C square. That is OB square. This is done. Next is OD square. OD square is nothing but, OD square is OQ square plus DQ square, that is OQ square plus DQ square, that is OQ square is D square plus DQ square is A square. Done. Now I have OA square. OA square is nothing but AP square plus PO square. AP square plus PO square. AP is nothing but A square plus PA square is C square. Similarly, we have OC square. OC square is nothing but, in this triangle OCQ, OC square is nothing but OQ square plus QC square, that is d square plus b square. Now we have this equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have this equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are told to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let's try to find the value of LHS. LHS is OB square plus OD square. That comes out to be B square plus C square plus D square plus A square. That is my equation 5. RHS is equal to OA square plus OC square. That is nothing but A square plus C square plus D square plus B square. Both are same actually. If you see, I'll arrange both in this fashion. So this is nothing but A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. Correct? This also, if I want to arrange, this is nothing but A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. So if you see, LHS and RHS are equal. So from 5 and 6 we can say that OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square, and that is my answer. Very simple application of Pythagoras theorem. Just you have all the sides given. You use the Pythagoras theorem to get the side as square of other two sides. Sides of a triangle are given below. Determine which of them are right triangle. In case of right triangle, we have to find the length of right triangles. The first triangle is 7, 24 and 25. The maximum size is 25. So if you can write 25 square as 24 square plus 27 square, then it is a right triangle. If not, it is not right triangle. So let's try to find. This is something which we don't know. So 24 square is what? 24 square is 576, and 7 square is what? 7 square is 49. This is 625, and this is equal to 25 square. That means it is a right triangle, and 25 is the hypotenuse. In second case, the maximum side is 8. So we can write 6 square plus 3 square as 8 square. That means it is a triangle. So let's try to find 6 square plus 8 square, 3 square. This is nothing but 36 plus 9 is equal to 45. And 45 is not equal to 8 square. So this is not a right triangle. Let's take the third scenario, 80, 50 and 100. The maximum side is 100. So let's try to sum the square of the other two sides. It's 80 square plus 50 square. How much it is? This is 8864, 00 plus 2500. That is, comes out to be 8900. And that is not equal to 100 square. You know, 100 square is this much. So this is also not a right triangle. Let's try take the last scenario. 13, 12 and 5. The maximum side is this. Let's take the smaller sides. 5 square and 12 square. That is comes out to be 25 plus 12 square is 144. That is 169, and this 169 is equal to 13 square, because 13 square is equal to 1 square. So we can say that this is a right triangle, and the hypotenuse is very simple. The biggest side is hypotenuse if it is a right triangle. So we have assumed the biggest side as this one. We try to write the biggest side as sum of squares of other smaller side. If I am successful in writing the biggest side as sum of squares of other two smaller side, then it is a right triangle. If not, then it is not a right triangle. Correct? In case 1 and case 4, I was able to write 13 square as 12 square plus 5 square and 25 square as 7 square plus 24 square. So they are right triangle. But in other cases, I was unable to write 8 square is equal to 6 square plus 3 square and 100 square is equal to 80 square plus 50 square. So they are not the. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.